this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Crafty Maven Getaway, and the sketch it is what I am going to do for the theme, and there's the sketch that I am using. And this is my Mind's Eye, no, Bella Boulevard's collection, and all I have is just the paper and the stickers. And what I decided to do was that I followed the sketch pretty close for the part of pretty much all of this. I guess the only thing that I changed is the photos are 4x6 and I did 4x3s, and just changed the layout of the photo of, instead of them going across, I went up and down. And this particular blue paper that's got the snowflakes on, I used it to back a cut file, and I just covered it up with the with the cupcake there, and then I placed this little piece of the candy cane in the middle just to break it up. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love the way it turned out. The only thing that I do off camera that after looking at it, I was like, I need to do something a little bit more. So I cut a little bit off and I just put a piece of black paper from Michael's, I think it was. Yeah, Michael's. And I just placed it around for a border. Here I am, I'm taking all of the little pieces. There's about about 4 or 5 different layers of paper that they use, and I just go along with it and make it work. And this particular sketch, I wasn't quite sure what to do for the Crafty Maven Getaway. It wasn't that I was struggling, I just didn't know what I wanted to do. So my friend Amy over at Scrappy Amy, she said, well, I'll pick a sketch for you. So she picked one out, and this is what she used, and I was like, okay, perfect. And I'll link everything down below along with all of the information to catch the Crafty Maven, where you can get everything from. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, all of that. And then also make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel so that you can be able to get more content. Now, for my subscribers here, I am almost done with my Christmas market stuff. So in my last few videos that I have done that you guys have seen, I said I'm almost done, and I am. I have a bunch of layout chairs and a couple other things that are going along my channel this week, and I was able to get done with my 2017, what am I thinking of? December documented. All of that is done. And I'm going to have a flip through up on my channel, which will be on Saturday, for you guys to see everything that I did. And now what I am going to finish out the year with, which is those, and then into the first week of January, is 3 layouts in my Christmas market, and then I will be done. Like, you won't see any more Christmas stuff. I'll go back to regular stuff. I just want to get that done, and then I'll do a flip through of that so you guys can see what I did for all of my Christmas markets while I was in Germany. So just bear with me. I know that there was tons of Christmas stuff on here, and I'm pretty sure you guys are probably sick of it as I am, but it is the season, and I absolutely love this. The series that I did do in December here, to be able to catch myself up completely so that next year when I do my Christmas in July series and my December stuff, it will all be of 2017. Or no, not 2017, 2018, because I'm always a year behind on when I scrap, so that I can be able to just enjoy the year and then scrap everything that I did the years past. I did up an album on my Facebook that has the dates. What I did was that I put the date down that I did post on social media, and then a little bit of a blurb on it, and that will stem me to go back and look at what I did and find the date and make sure that I write it down correctly and what we all did and who was with us and that kind of stuff. So it works out perfect. I got out my sewing machine, and as you can see, I'm stringing out 3 different colors. And I place it around there because there is this circle that is part of the sketch. And so I just did some thread. I got out a pink, a blue, and a red, and just go around in circles. Make it look good. I have 3 let me see, what was I going to talk about? So I have 3 more Christmas market layouts, and then I think I will switch over to doing my daughter's summer from 2018 here. I've got, I think, like 10 photos left to do in her summer, like her summer book that I made up. And I'll link everything when I get to those. Of course, I'll link everything down below, as well as what I'm doing for those 2, and to finish that out and then do a complete flip through. So I think that's going to be my next project to work on as I'm going through all of this. And I'm just embellishing. You guys know how to embellish. I just loved how I followed this sketch. I just took out all the stickers. Now that is all I have for this particular kit. I've ran into the problem that because I have 3 more layouts to do for my Christmas markets, and I have started, these pictures are of 2018 here, of our coffee cups, my coffee cup. Yeah, it's 2018. I had to think. 2018, and I've already done Santa photos for 2018 Christmas for my December documented. So that means that I am running low on product. I don't hoard layout. I don't hoard. And this year, I didn't like a lot of the kits that came out, like the collections. The only one that I really enjoyed, which I messed up on and I should have gotten the paper ×2, is crepe paper. Merry Days? Yeah, Merry Days. That one is my favorite collection of this year. And like I said, I should have gotten the paper ×2. I can't find it anywhere, obviously. So if you guys know where it's at, link it down below so that I can be able to get it. Okay? And then I already, because I loved what December for the hip kit was, I went and ordered the main kit. I ordered it twice. Like, I didn't even care. I got in the embellishment kit and the main kit. I absolutely loved it, so I went and reordered it all over again. And I think going into 2019, I have tried the year of kits. I absolutely have found myself going back to the hip kits, so I probably will be joining them as a subscriber to their kits and having them come into my house again on a monthly basis. I absolutely love their kits. I've never had an issue getting their kits. I've always been able to use all of the products that they have provided for us for the kits. And I think that's what I'm going to go back to in 2019. I have the kit that I have coming in. I have 1 more month, which is January, on it. And then I'm going to quit that one and get essentially the next one in. So you'll see that I'm finishing up as I rambled on. All of the embellishments are there. I end up going with some sprinkles. And then that is it. So I hope you enjoy this. The still thoughts are coming up. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.